and welcome to this session on preparing bolts. Let us begin with the session.
Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of the session, you will be able to file blank size to cut external thread for bolts, chamfer the thread ends of the bolts, mark the length required to cut external thread in bolt, cut external thread using die and die stock in bolt, check the external thread using screw pitch gauge. The metal fabrication is the creation of metal structures by cutting, blending and assembling processes. It is a value-added process involving the creation of machines, parts and the structures from various raw materials. A fastener is a hardware device that mechanically joins or affixes two or more objects together. In general, fasteners are used to create non-permanent joints, that is, joints that can be removed or dismantled without damaging the joining components. There are various types of fasteners, namely nuts, bolts, screws, washers, key and keyways, studs, rivets, anchors, nails, inserts, retaining rings, clevis pins and cotter pins. Bolts are made from a thin rod of metal having heads of different shapes. Bolts are specified by type of head and thread length. Let us learn the preparation of bolt. Cut a workpiece of 25 mm diameter to 50 mm length. Hold the workpiece in 3-jaw chuck. Perform facing operation on both sides of workpiece. Perform plain turning operation to get the roundness. Turn the workpiece to get a size 20 mm diameter. Perform facing operation to reduce the length of 40 mm. Perform step turning operation to reduce the diameter to 9.875 mm blank size for a length of 32 mm as per the drawing. Apply marking media on the face of the 20 mm diameter head. Clean the surface table. Clean the magnetic V block and vernier height gauge. Keep the pre-machined cylindrical job on magnetic V block. Place the scriber of vernier height gauge on top of the round bar. Set the measurement 2.9 mm less than initial reading in the vernier height gauge. Scribe line AB on face of round bar using vernier height gauge as per the drawing. Rotate and set the job to 90 degrees using tri-square and scribe line BC as per the previous procedure. Rotate and set the job to 90 degrees using tri-square and scribe line CD as per the previous procedure. Rotate and set the job to 90 degree using tri-square and scribe line AD as per the previous procedure. Join the coordinate points AC and BD using steel rule and scriber as per the drawing. Punch witness marks on the intersecting point O using center punch and ball peen hammer. This is the center of circle and the hexagon. Draw the parallel lines PQ and SR on either side of the line AD at a distance of 5 mm such that both the lines are parallel to BD. Join the points P, A, Q, R, C, S, P with straight lines to get the hexagon of 10 mm using steel rule and scriber such that the center of the workpiece and the center of the hexagon is the same. Witness mark the hexagon on the face using dot punch and ball peen hammer as per the drawing. Rough file using bastard file on a bench vise to obtain the profile. File the sides of the hexagon using smooth file to make the flat sides of the hexagon. Fix the length side of the hexagon bolt in the 3-jaw chuck. Chamfer the hexagonal head side for a dimension of 2 mm by 45 degrees. Hold this hexagonal head bolt in bench vise to 90 degrees along with aluminium vise clamps using tri-square. For M10 thread size and pitch of 1.25 mm, then blank size will be 9.875 mm. Set the M10 die on the die stock. Place the die on the hexagonal head bolt's round blank end with the die stock. Turn in clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction to cut external thread. Ensure that the die is perpendicular to the hexagonal head bolt while cutting the external thread. Apply pressure on the die stock evenly and cut external thread up to 18 mm on the blank. Check the thread pitch with screw pitch gauge. Apply a thin coat of oil and preserve it for evaluation.
To recap, we have learned to file blank size to cut external thread for bolts, chamfer the thread end of the bolts, mark the length required to cut external thread in bolt, cut external thread using die and die stock in bolt, check the external thread using screw pitch gauge. So that's all about preparing bolts. Hope you have understood all the exercises. See you in the next session.